Hi, I'm Mijan Roman Khan. Today I'm showing a very interesting video just for you. How to add a picture for your Microsoft Excel sheet. So let's go. First open Microsoft Excel. Just you click page layout and just click background. If you have an internet connection, you can download from internet for changing your background picture. I have no internet connection immediately, so I'm not trying offline. If I want to this picture, guys, see this. You can change your background picture. Just delete background. Okay. And try another. You can try it easily, very easy way. Guys, I'm gonna try other way. I think viewers, you can enjoy this video and you can try easily, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.